So y'all, welcome back to the channel, man. Happy Easter first off. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a chill video. You know, we finna take out the Mustangs, go through a cruise, you know, through some little back roads, man. You know, but other than that, bro, let's just get straight to it, you know what I'm saying? Straight to the action. Straight to the action. Alright, y'all. I think we are, you know, pretty much there, almost to our destination. Oh. Before we, you know, start driving, the mods on my dad's 5.0, it's full bolt-on, flex fuel tune. He's currently running E85 as we speak right now. You know, good thing I can smell that, you know what I'm saying? It's that good smell. But you know, full exhaust BBK long tube headers. It might be catted X pipe, I don't know. And Corsa Sport exhaust. As far as my car goes, it's just off-road H-pipe, pipes, exhaust, and a cold air intake that came on it. You know, the car's relatively stock though, so I ain't gonna be taking the turns too crazy. And then it is auto, so that limits me. But I'm still trying to have fun, you know what I'm saying? You know, I want to show you guys, you know, the automatic Mustangs, you know, still can do a little something, you know what I mean? Little 4R70W. But yeah, man, just cruising, you know what I'm saying? Happy Easter to everybody that's watching it. I'm gonna try and upload this on Easter, so you know what I'm saying, it's somewhat accurate. You know what I'm saying? Hope everybody's Easter is pretty good too. You know, hopefully you guys can hear me and the cars and stuff with all this wind noise going on. I'm hoping. But yeah. Hearing this thing echo off the trees, man. Some cars, bro. I'll pop her and drive for right now. People in front of us. The car, so should be good. I wish this Jetta wasn't in front of us, man. But it is like 1 something. You know, people should be eating Sunday dinner. GoPro batteries held some charge, low key. You know, I think, you know what I'm saying, action camera, you know what I'm saying, they hold a little bit better camera. Is this car turning with us? I hope they're not. Yes, they're not. Yes, sir. Dang, bro, that thing barked. That thing barked, dog. Jesus. Oh, look at my car. It looks good down there. Oh my God, that sounds so good, bro. That sounds mint, bro. 10 out of 10. If the GoPro can hear that, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on my rating. All right. Hop in the Stangy Stang when he comes back. And we're gonna continue our journey. Time to hop back in the car. Look at my car. Newedge gang. All right. Get on it, man. And when it exits off the trees, just listen how long. There's a really good section coming up too. Yeah, there's a nice little road up here, man. We'll be able to make some noise. Nice little windy roads over here too, man. You know, he really, you know, and he got BC Racing coilovers on it, installed on it recently, so we're really good to see what it does now on these turns. And again, he got better brakes than me. This car's brakes are boo-boo. You know, I'm looking into upgrading the brake calipers pretty soon to some CTSV ones, or, you know what I'm saying, some Cobra Mach 1s, Mach 1 brake calipers, depending on how cheap they are. But I think I won't be satisfied. I might just go with the CTSV brakes. a nice spot to do a a little donut. I'll drop it in low for this. I thought that was a whole... Dang, on Porsches, I thought he'd be getting into it. He ain't doing that. But that's what happens when you got a pretty quick car, you know what I'm saying? You run out of room with me, I could gun in those areas and not really worry about him. He'd probably be all over the place. This car is making double the horsepower of mine, right? The way it sits right now, so yeah. Don't blame him, you know what I'm saying? Don't blame him. Dang, man, I like this side of town, bro. Nice open roads, man. If I had a GT350, bro, or his car, man, or just any car that can handle a manual, no, a GT350, his car, the 2020, or a Vet or something, bro, I'd be a menace on this side of town. Every day, what? Bah, bah. Like, dude, I'd be gone. I'd be gone every day. Well, not every day, but bro, I mean, it's just nice, man. This is nice, bro. Can't even keep up. That was almost to the floor, and he wasn't even full throttle, bro. You're just getting into it. Golly, my car is terribly slow. What is Audi doing? Oh Lord, not the Audi. Not the Audi. Not the Audi. Golly, we got a race on our hands, just like that. Just like that, we got a race on our hands. Dude, if this Sonata don't get out the way, bro, you're not a race car, bud. Move. Jesus Christ. And this Camry holding us up. Let's go in it though. Right. See, that's what I'm telling you, bro. It's like jelly. It does it mad late. Like when this car gets sideways, it's like jelly, man. I wish I wasn't in, it seems like in low, it doesn't do it, but in drive it'll do it. I don't know, this car is weird. Growing in the asphalt are crazy. Second pulls pretty good. I guess this is the end of the video, man. If you like what you saw, heard, and everything, once again, please like, share, and if you're feeling generous, subscribe, man. And until next time, catch you guys later.